Your healing is right here in your presence. My freedom is here in your presence. My joy is here in your presence. My breakthrough is here in your presence. All that I need is in your presence. All that I need is in your presence. All that I need. All that I need. Jesus, you're 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 all that I need. Your presence is all that I need. Your glory is all that I need. Your love is all that I need. Jesus, you're all. Jesus, you're all. Jesus, you're all. You're the only one that satisfies. 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 Yeah. You're the only one that satisfies. 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 Fill my cup. Yeah. Fill it up. Fill my cup, oh God, yeah, yeah. Fill it up, oh, fill my cup, yeah, fill it up, oh, fill my cup, yeah, fill it up, oh. Fill my cup, Lord. Fill it up. Fill my cup. Fill it up. Stay right here. I wanna 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 stay right here. This is my prayer. I wanna stay right here. This is my prayer. I wanna stay right here. This is my prayer. I wanna stay right here. I don't wanna go back. I wanna stay right here. I don't wanna go back. I wanna stay right here. to stay right here. I don't know this place, Lord, help me to stay right here. You're leading me somewhere new. Stay right here. I want to stay right here. Stay right here. I want to stay right here, Lord. Stay right here. Stay right here, Lord. Stay right here. Stay right here. Hey, hallelujah. Let your presence linger. Let your presence linger. Let it stay right here. Let it stay right here. Let your presence linger. Let your presence hover. Let your presence stay right here. Let your presence stay right. All right. For real this time, we're going to take a break. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. We're going to start at, oh, glory. Don't do that, sis. Don't do that. Glory. The glory in you spoke to the glory in me. Don't do that. We're going to resume at 10:45. For real this time. All right? I'll take 5 minutes to refresh. I'm not going to say nothing yet. Y'all go ahead, refresh. If you can leave, you can. If you don't want to, no rush. You can sit in his presence. We